From the trio of planets being visible in the night sky, to Mercury and Mars reaching their closest distance to each other in the heavens, here are all the astronomical events for January 2024. Keep watching this video to learn more about what you will see in the night sky. So, starting on January 9, the Moon will conjunct with Venus, where our natural satellite will appear close to the second planet from the Sun in the night sky. The Moon and Venus will share the same right ascension, with the Moon passing 3 degrees and 0 minutes to the south of Venus. The Moon will be in its waning crescent phase with 6% illumination during this time. On January 11, we will have the new moon, making it the best time to stargaze and do astrophotography overnight since there will be no moonlight to hamper the stars. The first quarter moon for 2024 will be on January 18, and the full moon will be on January 25, known as the Wolf Moon. You can refer to the website moongiant.com to see what the next lunar phase will be. On January 12, Mercury will reach its greatest Western elongation from the Sun today, putting it at its highest point above the horizon, making it the best time to spot the first planet from the Sun to the east before daybreak, appearing 24 degrees from the sunrise. However, you will need a clear view of the horizon to have a better chance of seeing Mercury because it will still be low to the sky during this time due to its proximity to the Sun. You would also see Venus, Mercury, and Mars for the whole month, where they will form a line in the eastern sky minutes before sunrise, greeting you with a magnificent celestial view of the planets if you are an early bird. Venus rises first, followed by Mercury, then Mars. From January 14 to 26, the Moon will conjunct with numerous celestial objects in the night sky, starting with Saturn on January 14, where the Moon and Saturn will appear close together in the night sky, creating a conjunction event, with the Moon passing 4 degrees and 30 minutes to the south of Saturn. It is a magnificent photographic opportunity to capture both celestial objects in one frame. The Moon will be in its waxing crescent phase with 10% illumination during this time. Then, the Moon will proceed to conjunct with Jupiter on January 19, where the Moon and Jupiter will share the same right ascension, with the Moon passing 1 degree and 48 minutes to the south of Jupiter. The Moon will be in its waxing gibbous phase with 63% illumination on this night. On January 20, the Moon will have a conjunction with the Pleiades star cluster, also known as the Seven Sisters. This event will be visible to the naked eye and is a beautiful sight to behold. But seeing the star cluster might be challenging due to the moonlight. Finally, the Moon will proceed to conjunct with the Beehive star cluster on January 26, an open cluster in the constellation Cancer. However, seeing the Beehive star cluster might become challenging due to a near full moon obscuring the stars. On January 27, we will have a Mercury-Mars conjunction where the two planets will appear so close together in the night sky. Mercury will be at magnitude -0.2 and Mars at magnitude 1.3. Making Mercury the brighter planet of the two in the constellation Sagittarius. Mercury will pass within 0 degrees and 12 minutes of Mars, so the pair will be close enough to fit within the field of view of a telescope. However, they will also be visible to the naked eye or through binoculars. But you must have a clear view of the eastern horizon where the sunrise will occur to have a better chance of seeing them because they will still be very low into the sky during this time. Finally, on January 29, the Moon will reach its apogee, the point in its orbit where it is farthest from the Earth. At this time, the Moon will recede to 405,800 kilometers from the Earth, appearing smaller and dimmer than usual. However, the difference will be subtle to the naked eye but could still affect how much detail you can photograph on the Moon when you attempt lunar astrophotography on this night. The Moon will be in its waning gibbous phase with 92% illumination during this time. So that's it for the highlight astronomical events for January 2024, guys. Sorry for uploading this late since we got busy with vacation, my 20th birthday, and other family things, so I had less time for YouTube. I hope you witnessed the Quadrantous meteor shower between January 3 and 4, which I could not cover in this video because, well, I would definitely have uploaded this way after the meteor shower has occurred. But hopefully, you will see the other upcoming astronomical events this month. As always, clear skies, enjoy the universe before your eyes, and see you next time.